Top 10 Cleanest Cities in India 2020. As Swachh Bharat mission is heading towards the completion of 6 years from its inception, the Minister of Union Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, Hardeep Singh Puri, announced the Swachh Sarvekshan Awards in a virtual ceremony called the Swachh Mahotsav recently. Swachh Sarvekshan survey monitors the performance of different cities and regions of India under the Swachh Bharat mission launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014. This year, Swachh Sarvekshan was conducted in 4,242 cities, 62 cantonment boards, and 92 Ganga towns. The survey was conducted in the country's urban areas from January 4, 2020 to January 31, 2020, which made it the world's largest cleanliness survey. The top 10 cleanest cities in India 2020 as per the survey are as follows. Number 10. Khargone. It is situated in Madhya Pradesh and it is the administrative headquarters of the Khargone district. The city bagged the 10th position in the list. Number 9. Chandrapur. It is situated in Maharashtra and bagged the 9th position in the list of top 10 cleanest cities in India. The city is another new entrant in the list. Number 8. New Delhi or New Delhi Municipal Council. It has bagged the 8th rank in the list. This area comprises of the Lutyens Delhi, which is regarded as the seat of central authority in India. Many important buildings like the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Parliament House, the Supreme Court, and the North and South blocks are located in this region. Number 7. Ahmedabad. It is the largest city in the state of Gujarat. It is also the former capital of the state. It has slipped from 6th position in 2019 to 7th this year. Number 6. Vijayawada. It is situated in the southeast Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is a new entry in the list of top 10 clean cities of India. Number 5. Mysore. The city of Mysore grabbed the 5th position in the list. It is situated in Karnataka and it is a hub of monuments signifying the grandeur of Indian heritage and culture. Mysore slipped from 3rd position in 2019 to 5th in 2020. Number 4. Ambikapur. It came 4th in the list of 10 cleanest cities of India. It is the headquarters city of Sarguja district situated in Chhattisgarh. Ambikapur stood in the 2nd position in 2019 and this year it has slipped to the 4th position. Number 3. Navi Mumbai. Navi Mumbai, situated in the state of Maharashtra, secured the 3rd position in the list. It is a planned city located in the west coast of Maharashtra and falls in the Konkan division. Number 2. Surat. Surat grabbed the 2nd position in the list. It is a large city situated in Gujarat. It has been renowned for its commercial growth and remains one of the main textile hubs of India. It is popularly known as the Silk City of India. Number 1. Indore. Indore, which is situated in Madhya Pradesh, has become the city to win the prestigious Swachh Sarvekshan Award for 4 times in a row. It is also known as the main financial center of the state of Madhya Pradesh and has been consistently topping the list of cleanest cities in India since the last 4 years.